Hi! In front of me is Honor 70 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Biometrics and Password. Following that, tap on Lock Screen Password and click on Change Unlock Method. Now click on the best login method for you: 4-digit PIN, custom PIN, pattern or password. Finally, you get to create it and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're ready, hit Done at the bottom right corner. And if you wish to add your fingerprint right away, click Add in the pop-up. Then follow all of the instructions from your screen. If you don't want to do it, or you wish to do it later, just click on Cancel. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!